So this is for the tired cupcake count. I'm hoping I'll hide beside this tree to keep the wind. Yeah, I think. Oh no, there's the wind. I think that's why I do these mainly inside and take photos during the... Oh, there's a shopping trolley down there. How did a shopping trolley get all the way down here? Okay, so with the accounts, I'll do daily report inside with Adam Spong for the next 365. Oh yeah, I'm reading the Star Wars book, and hopefully Han Solo book. And for the Thinking Socks and Tired Cupcakes, as the original name of Adam Spong, it will be the minute there.